In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make money in Monopoly Go. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, besides just teaching you how to roll the dice and get rewards from doing bank heists and other activities, I'm gonna show you some possible methods that you might have overlooked to make money in Monopoly Go. The first one I want to highlight is the album functionality. As you can see, if you complete all albums, you can get up to $15 million, and even if you complete individual ones, you also get a lot of money and dices, which just convert into money after you play the game and roll them. So I highly recommend that you actively try to collect all the cards to complete your albums. You can join various communities like the Facebook sticker trading group. As you can see, all you have to do is tap on an empty card that you don't have and you will be able to join the group and trade cards with each other. After you complete these albums and you get all of the rewards, something else you might want to try is to go over to the Friends tab, tap Invite, and as you can see, you can get a lot of dices from just inviting your friends. You will be able to play the board a lot of times, which of course means more money. So often try to share your invite link and invite your friends to play with you. Not only you will be able to have fun together with your friends, you will be able to make money in the process by getting these rewards. Like I said, besides these alternative methods that you might be able to complete every once in a while, there isn't much you can do besides just rolling the dice that you have and actively playing the game. By doing upgrades, adding your friends, and just rolling on the board overall, you will be able to get a large amount of money. From time to time, make sure to get events and collect rewards, and you will be able to upgrade buildings and collect more and more money in the process. I hope I was able to help you on how to make money in Monopoly Go. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.